Plants' physiology is adapted to uptake CO2 and remove O2 in day and reverse in night. But this is not true always. Plants need oxygen in the daytime also for respiration. The concept of gases exchange in plants is predominantly they take carbon dioxide in day and oxygen in night, because it does photosynthesis in day in the presence of light. The first part of photosynthesis, I.U. In the light reaction, water splits into hydrogen and OH ions and release electrons. This electron passing through a series of electron acceptors and produces reducing power. This reducing power is utilized in the night for dark reaction to synthesis carbohydrate. In that sense, plant absorb CO2 in a day and remove O2. But there are some plants called Crassulasian Acid Metabolizing plants, CAM. These plants open the stomata during night as an adaptation to prevent excess loss of water. In these plants, CO2 absorbs in the night and oxygen as well. The list of these plants more, but those plants which release oxygen in the day is beneficial if that is indoor plants. These categories of plants, if grown indoor, it will purify the air and we can get a good sleep in the night. Here I given a list of plants that release oxygen at night. Some of these plants you can use as an indoor plant and automatically purify air while you sleep. Hank, in one way it assists to get you good sleep. Let us look some of these plants in detail. This is the light reaction in plants. Here light energy absorbed PS Roman to expel 4 electrons and pass through various electron acceptors and produce ATP and NADPH2, a source energy for dark reaction. The lost electron is provided by splitting of water by light called photosynthesis of water. The electrons give back to PS2 and also form oxygen and metabolic water. Oxygen relates to atmosphere and metabolic water used for physiological processes. This flow chart shows the dark reaction. Here CO2 is accepted by RuBP and transferred through various intermediates and finally produce sugar. RuBP is recycled. For this purpose, CO2 is essential and is taken from atmosphere through stomata. Since the process taken place in the night, CO2 is absorbed from atmosphere during stomata is open, that is, in daytime. Hence, in day oxygen is removed and CO2 is absorbed by plants. In some plants, like CM plants, stomata is open during night as an adaptation to prevent excess loss of water. In these plants, CO2 is absorbed during night and oxygen is released during nighttime. This type plant is useful as indoor plant to purify air while we are sleeping.
The different plants that release oxygen at night are Erica palm, bamboo palm, aloe vera, Chinese evergreen, Christmas cactus, chrysanthemum, Gerbera, or orange, golden pathos, jasmine, lavender, money plant, Monstera plant, NEEM, orchids, peepul, Philodendron, snake plant, spider plant, Tulus, Syngonium, weeping fig, etc.